So we've finally got the paint now. This is Honda Deep Bronze.
Beep.
Deep Bronze. You can see that metallic in that. So essentially it's going to look black, but it's going to have that nice flick in it.
Oh, thanks to Uncle Tony.
Yeah.
He's overflowing.
What? Oh, it's gone down my neck. It's gone down my arm.
Get a light quick.
Right.
Don't spill it, Sam. Super unleaded.
Are we in?
It's on my elbow now. We haven't got that screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
Go on here.
We sat on it.
Oh, here we go.
Fucking hell.
Stunning that tank, isn't it? Sorted?
You can almost see your roast dinner off it, can't you, Mark?
Yeah. It's proper clean, isn't it? It's nice.
Oh, yeah. Tell you what though, can't wait to get my slippers on later on.
No.
No.
No better feeling.
Oh.
Cozy feet.
Right, thank you.
Should have brought my shark slippers.
Your shark slippers? You've got some shark slippers?
Yeah, they look like they're eating feet, they're all good.
Is it done?
Do you want... That's full. Do you want us to explain why we're laughing about slippers?
I think I fucking figured it out. Yeah.
It's when we went to see you.
You know when you left early?
Yeah.
I was driving Mark back and we was both like, I bet Tony sat at home having a roast dinner with his slippers on.
You
came out topless with slippers on and then...
And he said, oh, I had a nice dinner.
So all I've got is Watson Gromit and Wallace with his slippers. That's all I've got in my head. That is...
Funny.
Right. What have you been doing?
It's a little bit bad sitting there.
Well, you're gonna hoover it, aren't you? So...
I'm not.
Bloody about that.
You can tell it's GT Dash, that, can't you?
That one on Saturday where those two dials at the top, that's done. He had the radio in there. It looked weird because I've always been used to those two dials, you know.
Yeah.
It's simple. Most people think it just looks like a binnacle bomb, but it is. But that's what my dad did, didn't it? This is what I find weird because even though we did it for my dad, it's like he's part of it because it's.
There's still bits he's done in there.
Oh, everything he's done, it. Everything we're taking off now, he's put on.
Yeah.
So he's still helping in the way, sort of thing. But say helping. I mean, if he was a stainless, would have been alright. But
Yeah.
the nuts are stainless, just the washes aren't. So, as you can tell
So
now.
if we're building a kit car, we'd make everything stainless.
Right, because I mean, look at that.
That's beautiful.
Right, that's one done. And I wish these were captive. The other side's captive. These aren't.
Why is that? That's weird.
I know why. Because he fit a new set of hinges on that side. Because only me, after what 1993, ever opened this door. So obviously the driver's side always gets to wear, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely. I have to admit, after seeing that paint, I'm really excited to see it on my car now. That colour's gorgeous.
These are tight. Scared up.
Maybe that's why that door's not dropped, because they're tight.
Yeah, and this carpet's lead on as well, so it's like, oh, ripped it. Bollocks.
We can repair.
It's a Lizzie covered carpet.
Quite good of upholstery, yeah. She finished the clubman off when I was getting stressed out of it, running the gear selector.
Yeah. It'll be interesting putting these back on.
So is this carpet in here a tailor-made Midas carpet,
Yeah.
or is it a?
Yeah, it's tailor-made. You can't get.
I need to drip it.
I think he. It's the second one. He got it in the early 90s, late 80s.
Yeah.
For part of the club, they got stuff done. Like the rear window got done at Land Rover and stuff. But I mean, yeah. I mean, as bad as this sounds, most Midases they're quite tacky.
Yeah.
That's why, like, as a club, he's got friends through it, but the later ones, they're like a Metro. And
Yeah, when you went to that meet to get those bits, I definitely prefer the mini base
The Mark
ones.
IV, the Cortez, it looks like an Astra.
Yeah.
But the Daewoo version of an
See
Astra.
the Cavalier backlights on it.
Yeah, no, the one even later than that's. Yeah. I mean, it's Marmite, and people love them, it's fair enough, isn't it? So, you know, everyone has their own thing. Most people look at this and think it's weird, but okay.
I'd never seen one. I didn't even know what one was until I met
It's
you.
what my dad likes, isn't it? So.
Can we fit a really big boat horn to this one as well? There's empty holes there for switches. I mean, look, it's crying out for something.
You put that idea into my head. Imagine that though, Precision.
They're well good.
Yeah, but thinks my name. Well,
When he leaves the old wedding day in this, you know,
yeah, but some of my neighbours don't like me for my horn.
so he doesn't live there anymore. You can greet each other when you turn up with your horns. Neighbours will love that.
This one at the back's rounded.
Angle grinder time.
No, I need a light.
Is that why that door's never come off? It's quite a good quality car, but you can see like it looks decent.
Yeah, it just needs a good vanish again.
Yeah.
Because I walked on it for the past five years.
Yeah.
Horrible. Underneath it's all the underneath of it's all rotten away.
Can you put like a conventional sound deadening in this? Can you?
Yeah,
Like a silent
probably
coat. Yeah.
But thing is, carpet. That's something that can do.
Yeah. Got to leave something for him to do.
Yeah. But the interior, I don't really want to change it because I love it. This is how.
Well, the interior is the reason why you've chosen that colour, isn't it? Because the seats are sort of bronzy, and then
I'm trying to get some new nuts, bolts for these as well.
get stainless one.
Yeah, see what Uncle Tony's got.
Uncle Tony.
Tell you what though, these top ones are going to be absolute pitch. Yeah, all this box and again up is everything.
Oh, can't see the gear knob. Right on it. There you go.
Got the QPS servo ones here, everything. Single line.
I love the GT. I've said it already. The GT gauges are such a
And
good set of
the really
gauges.
GT gauges because they've got the
Yeah.
holes, they've got the screw holes vertical and horizontal. Little geek fact there for you.
And they've got the mini air vents.
Like I say, the
So is it a mini heater then as well, Bob?
Yeah, Mark IIs have all metro based. Like I say, this was built off late
Damaged GT.
70s, like literally like less than 1,000 mile GT. So it's a genuine GT underneath. You know, it's not a metro cobbled together. So you can see from the footage you just seen then last night, we're pretty much working in the dark in every available hour we've got to work on this car. So it was quite a nice little chat with Sam. We had sat in the car, then you saw and heard a lot of the history of the car and why it means so much to him and his dad and the basic setup of the car. Like he said, it's based on a late 70s GT. So that's a pretty cool car to have a kit car based on because the Clubman GT is a cracking car as it is. So yeah, catch us in the next one when more work's definitely happen. We'll be closer to the priming stage hopefully. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Catch you in the next one.